Redefining airships, next-generation designs and their uses. What will the airships of the future look like, and what purposes will they serve? Today, cargo, passenger and combination airships are capable of solving a wide array of challenges. Heavy lift models with long-range capabilities are essential for transporting heavy, oversized or bulk cargo at low cost per unit. They are ideally suited for operations in remote areas where infrastructure is limited and transshipment between different transport modes is impossible. Flying hospitals are designed to provide medical care in hard-to-reach regions or disaster zones, ensuring rapid and effective assistance. Cruise airships will create a new niche in tourism, offering a unique way to combine leisurely travel with breathtaking panoramic views. This is an opportunity to live and journey aboard a mobile resort in the sky. Airships can also function as aerial warehouses, servicing online orders and delivering goods directly to recipients via drones. A series of atmospheric surveillance airships is intended for monitoring and controlling borders, commercial industries and emergency situations. Linking individual units into a global network allows for large-scale area coverage with a real-time observation system. Finally, stratospheric airships. These platforms serve communications, observation and monitoring roles, acting as an alternative to satellites and positioning systems. Modern airships are capable of meeting commercial and public needs on both regional and intercontinental routes. They can be adapted to specific regions and customized for users from corporate, private or government sectors.